Thank you, Chief Minister from Himachal Pradesh, Mr. Ram Thakur. I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Mittal.
Khuda Meda, His Excellency Venu Rajamani, Honorable Guest, Chief Minister Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur ji, Industry Minister, Shri Vikram ji, Mr. Rana, Mr. Arora, and all the August gathering, distinguished guests, representatives from the Army. Welcome to all of you. I'm really happy to see yoga getting so popular in Amsterdam. I wish to compliment the citizens of Amsterdam for making it a lifestyle. And this may be the city where the yoga is most popular outside India. I wish to compliment you for this. And this is a great achievement. And this is very good. So I wish to just introduce myself. I'm representing as the Managing Director of the Sonilika Tractors. We make tractors. We are present in the 30 countries of Europe and 110 countries in the world. And we are contributing to the agriculture in a big way. So we have started a social responsibility project. This is Soul Yoga. In this we are doing the meditations, teaching the meditations in Amsterdam also, and it is a great success. I wish to congratulate Honorable His Excellency to organize this Yoga Day so successfully. I wish to congratulate you, all the participants, to come here and celebrate this Yoga Day. You know that yoga was started many thousands years back by its originator Maharishi Patanjali. And since its beginning, many thousands years back, it has grown and grown and grown bigger. That shows the effectiveness of the yoga. But the purpose of yoga is, as its name is, to have the union, complete union of the soul with the spirit. That is the purpose with which the yoga is made. So the people are aware about the asanas, about the pranayams. Asanas are very famous here, but people are not much aware about the real yoga, about the real purpose of yoga. The asana pranayams are only the steps to reach the real purpose of yoga. The real purpose of yoga is meditation, is samadhi, is getting the enlightenment. And in many thousand years back, during all this period, many great Hindu spiritual leaders have got the enlightenment through the path of yoga. And I wish that you people should also follow that. And I will wish that you experience that, the special bliss of yoga, going through the meditation there, connected with the soul and the spirit, after the asanas and pranayams. And we have started this organization here, Soul Yoga, which is going to help you. You can join our sessions, and it's a corporate social responsibility, and it gives you the real experience of yoga, meditation. I wish to take this opportunity to convey my thanks to His Excellency for making us a part of this celebration, and to all the gathering here to making it a big success. And I wish you that you may enjoy the bliss of yoga and meditation. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Mittal.